So I'm just starting this because I just landed a bunch of good ones. Good little bottle flips. So just going to keep it on recording just in case. I'm doing these bunch of flips. Boom. Jackson, you're okay. Big brother's right here. You're okay. You're the Battlefield King. What's wrong with you? Yeah, you are. But you're the Battlefield King. But you're the Battlefield King. What's wrong? You're the king. Last one. You ready for this? See that little crack? Ah, come on. Last try, last try. Oh. That's gonna be all for today. And one more. It's gonna be all for today. 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 And peace the heck out. Bottle flippers. Bottle flippers. Peace.